Halo semuanya, pada video kali ini kita berlatih untuk mengartikan apa yang diucapkan orang dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Kita akan mulai dengan kalimat-kalimat yang pendek dan mudah dulu, lalu secara bertahap menuju ke kalimat yang lebih panjang dan kompleks. Kalimat bahasa Inggrisnya akan diucapkan 2 kali, dan cobalah untuk menerjemahkan arti atau maksud dari kalimat tersebut ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Lalu cocokkanlah jawaban kamu pada akhir setiap kalimat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
This is a serious problem. This is a serious problem.
Ini adalah masalah yang serius.
I drink 2 cups of coffee every day. I drink 2 cups of coffee every day.
Saya minum 2 cangkir kopi setiap hari.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Apa yang biasanya kamu makan untuk sarapan?
I need to see a doctor today. I need to see a doctor today.
Saya perlu menemui dokter hari ini.
Spending time with family always makes me happy. Spending time with family always makes me happy.
Menghabiskan waktu dengan keluarga selalu membuatku bahagia.
I'm sorry for making you wait outside. I'm sorry for making you wait outside.
Maaf telah membuatmu menunggu di luar.
I'm feeling tired and need to rest. I'm feeling tired and need to rest.
Saya merasa lelah dan butuh istirahat.
I always wake up early and exercise. I always wake up early and exercise.
Saya selalu bangun pagi dan berolahraga.
I've been so busy lately. I've been so busy lately.
Saya sangat sibuk belakangan ini.
I am so tired, I need some sleep. I am so tired, I need some sleep.
Saya sangat lelah, saya butuh tidur.
What's your favorite food to eat? What's your favorite food to eat?
Apa makanan favorit yang kamu suka makan?
I practice English every day. I practice English every day.
Saya berlatih bahasa Inggris setiap hari.
I have 6 chairs in my dining room. I have 6 chairs in my dining room.
Saya punya 6 kursi di ruang makan.
I want everyone to understand me clearly. I want everyone to understand me clearly.
Saya ingin semua orang mengerti saya dengan jelas.
I usually sleep for about 8 hours. I usually sleep for about 8 hours.
Saya biasanya tidur sekitar 8 jam.
I exercise for 30 minutes daily. I exercise for 30 minutes daily.
Saya berolahraga 30 menit setiap hari.
What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast?
Apa yang kamu makan untuk sarapan?
I drink milk every morning. I drink milk every morning.
Saya minum susu setiap pagi.
The more you practice, the better you'll get. The more you practice, the better you'll get.
Semakin sering kamu berlatih, semakin baik kemampuan kamu.
I drive almost every day for work. I drive almost every day for work.
Saya mengemudi hampir setiap hari untuk bekerja.
I like to eat fresh fruit. I like to eat fresh fruit.
Saya suka makan buah segar.
Thank you. I appreciate your understanding. Thank you. I appreciate your understanding.
Terima kasih, saya menghargai pengertianmu.
Do you like eating at restaurants or home? Do you like eating at restaurants or home?
Apakah kamu suka makan di restoran atau di rumah?
I really need a little break. I really need a little break.
Saya benar-benar butuh sedikit istirahat.
Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes are part of learning.
Kesalahan adalah bagian dari belajar.
I love reading books in my free time. I love reading books in my free time.
Saya suka membaca buku di waktu luang saya.
Happiness makes life much better. Happiness makes life much better.
Kebahagiaan membuat hidup jauh lebih baik.
Work has taken up most of my time. Work has taken up most of my time.
Pekerjaan memakan sebagian besar waktuku.
I learned how to drive last year. I learned how to drive last year.
Saya belajar mengemudi tahun lalu.
I need to go to the grocery store today. I need to go to the grocery store today.
Saya perlu pergi ke toko sembako hari ini.
I like soft chairs that are easy to relax in. I like soft chairs that are easy to relax in.
Saya suka kursi empuk yang memudahkan untuk bersantai.
I try to sleep early to feel fresh. I try to sleep early to feel fresh.
Saya mencoba tidur lebih awal agar merasa segar.
Positive thinking gives us strength to continue. Positive thinking gives us strength to continue.
Berpikir positif memberi kita kekuatan untuk terus maju.
I always try to be friendly. I always try to be friendly.
Saya selalu berusaha ramah.
I try to be brave in difficult situations. I try to be brave in difficult situations.
Saya mencoba untuk berani dalam situasi sulit.
I feel nervous every time I try something new. I feel nervous every time I try something new.
Saya merasa gugup setiap kali mencoba hal baru.
What do you do when feeling angry? What do you do when feeling angry?
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat merasa marah?
Nothing unusual happened, just usual routine. Nothing unusual happened, just usual routine.
Tidak ada yang luar biasa terjadi, hanya rutinitas biasa.
I feel more energized after exercising. I feel more energized after exercising.
Saya merasa lebih berenergi setelah berolahraga.
I love to talk with my friends. I love to talk with my friends.
Saya suka berbicara dengan teman-teman saya.
Reading is a great habit for the mind. Reading is a great habit for the mind.
Membaca adalah kebiasaan yang bagus untuk pikiran.
Staying calm helps us think more clearly. Staying calm helps us think more clearly.
Tetap tenang membantu kita berpikir lebih jelas.
I'm so hungry. What should we eat? I'm so hungry. What should we eat?
Saya sangat lapar, sebaiknya kita makan apa?
I prefer to sleep in the dark. I prefer to sleep in the dark.
Saya lebih suka tidur dalam gelap.
I try to remind myself to be patient every day. I try to remind myself to be patient every day.
Saya berusaha mengingatkan diri untuk bersabar setiap hari.
I take deep breaths to calm myself. I take deep breaths to calm myself.
Saya menarik napas dalam untuk menenangkan diri.
The traffic is so slow today. The traffic is so slow today.
Lalu lintas sangat lambat hari ini?
Being friendly makes life more enjoyable. Being friendly makes life more enjoyable.
Bersikap ramah membuat hidup lebih menyenangkan.
Trying new things can be scary but exciting. Trying new things can be scary but exciting.
Mencoba hal baru bisa menakutkan tapi menyenangkan.
I prefer a chair with arms for comfort. I prefer a chair with arms for comfort.
Saya lebih suka kursi dengan lengan untuk kenyamanan.
Thank you for being patient. Thank you for being patient.
Terima kasih sudah bersabar.
Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car?
Apakah kamu tahu cara mengendarai mobil?
A smile really brightens up the day. A smile really brightens up the day.
Senyuman benar-benar mencerahkan hari.
Drinking warm tea helps me sleep better. Drinking warm tea helps me sleep better.
Minum teh hangat membantu saya tidur lebih nyenyak.
I drink tea every morning. I drink tea every morning.
Saya minum teh setiap pagi.
I should have worn a warmer jacket. I should have worn a warmer jacket.
Saya seharusnya memakai jaket yang lebih hangat.
I prefer paper books because they feel real. I prefer paper books because they feel real.
Saya lebih suka buku kertas karena rasanya nyata.
I love living in this city. I love living in this city.
Saya suka tinggal di kota ini.
A hot cup of tea would be perfect now. A hot cup of tea would be perfect now.
Secangkir teh panas akan sangat cocok sekarang.
I believe politeness is important. I believe politeness is important.
Saya percaya sopan santun itu penting.
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
Saya berusaha berolahraga setidaknya 3 kali seminggu.
I can type quickly when I'm focused. I can type quickly when I'm focused.
Saya bisa mengetik dengan cepat saat saya fokus.
I have a bad cold and a cough. I have a bad cold and a cough.
Saya sedang flu berat dan batuk.
I love going to new restaurants. I love going to new restaurants.
Saya suka pergi ke restoran baru.
I'm glad you're patient with me. I'm glad you're patient with me.
Saya senang kamu sabar dengan saya.
I live in a small apartment. I live in a small apartment.
Saya tinggal di apartemen kecil.
A nap could help you recharge. A nap could help you recharge.
Tidur sebentar bisa membantumu segar kembali.
I always drink water when I'm tired. I always drink water when I'm tired.
Saya selalu minum air ketika saya lelah.
Keep practicing and you'll get better. Keep practicing and you'll get better.
Teruslah berlatih dan kamu akan semakin baik.
I have a problem with my computer. I have a problem with my computer.
Saya punya masalah dengan komputer saya.
I have a smartwatch with many features. I have a smartwatch with many features.
Saya punya jam tangan pintar dengan banyak fitur.
I just try to be kind to others. I just try to be kind to others.
Saya hanya berusaha baik kepada orang lain.
I like mystery and adventure books. I like mystery and adventure books.
Saya suka buku misteri dan petualangan.
I'm craving some ice cream today. I'm craving some ice cream today.
Saya sangat ingin es krim hari ini.
I sit in the chair by the window. I sit in the chair by the window.
Saya duduk di kursi dekat jendela.
I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning.
Saya bangun terlambat pagi ini.
I love to listen to music while working. I love to listen to music while working.
Saya suka mendengarkan musik saat bekerja.
It's amazing how much a smile can do. It's amazing how much a smile can do.
Sungguh menakjubkan bagaimana senyuman bisa membuat perubahan.
I didn't realize I was speaking loudly. I didn't realize I was speaking loudly.
Saya tidak menyadari bahwa saya berbicara dengan keras.
Can you close the door after entering? Can you close the door after entering?
Bisa tutup pintunya setelah masuk?
I usually take the bus to work. I usually take the bus to work.
Saya biasanya naik bus ke kantor.
It's simple but looks very nice. It's simple but looks very nice.
Itu sederhana tapi terlihat sangat baik.
I believe being friendly makes everyone happy. I believe being friendly makes everyone happy.
Saya percaya bersikap ramah membuat semua orang senang.
Eating healthy makes me feel better. Eating healthy makes me feel better.
Makan sehat membuat saya merasa lebih baik.
I love cooking pasta with tomato sauce. I love cooking pasta with tomato sauce.
Saya suka memasak pasta dengan saus tomat.
It's hard, but it's important to stay calm. It's hard, but it's important to stay calm.
Memang sulit, tapi penting untuk tetap tenang.
I try to read a book every week. I try to read a book every week.
Saya mencoba membaca buku setiap minggu.
I'm feeling so sleepy right now. I'm feeling so sleepy right now.
Saya merasa sangat mengantuk sekarang.
Running makes me feel energized and happy. Running makes me feel energized and happy.
Berlari membuat saya merasa berenergi dan bahagia.
I focus and avoid distractions while working. I focus and avoid distractions while working.
Saya fokus dan menghindari gangguan saat bekerja.
Ice cream is the perfect treat on a hot day. Ice cream is the perfect treat on a hot day.
Es krim adalah camilan yang sempurna di hari panas.
Everyone here is really friendly. Everyone here is really friendly.
Semua orang di sini sangat ramah.
I love to take a walk in the park. I love to take a walk in the park.
Saya suka berjalan-jalan di taman.
I want to climb that mountain this weekend. I want to climb that mountain this weekend.
Saya ingin mendaki gunung itu akhir pekan ini.
I feel so comfortable in this chair. I feel so comfortable in this chair.
Saya merasa sangat nyaman di kursi ini.
I saw a new restaurant down the street. I saw a new restaurant down the street.
Saya melihat restoran baru di ujung jalan.
I love opening the window in the morning. I love opening the window in the morning.
Saya suka membuka jendela di pagi hari.
I went to a bookstore yesterday. I went to a bookstore yesterday.
Saya pergi ke toko buku kemarin.
I like your outfit, it's stylish. I like your outfit, it's stylish.
Saya suka pakaianmu, itu sangat bergaya.
I cook at least 3 times a week. I cook at least 3 times a week.
Saya memasak setidaknya 3 kali seminggu.
I went to the market this morning. I went to the market this morning.
Saya pergi ke pasar pagi ini.
I just moved to a new town. I just moved to a new town.
Saya baru pindah ke kota baru.
A warm day always lifts my mood. A warm day always lifts my mood.
Hari yang hangat selalu membuat suasana hati saya lebih baik.
Trees help clean the air and provide shade. Trees help clean the air and provide shade.
Pohon membantu membersihkan udara dan memberikan keteduhan.
I love hiking in the mountains. I love hiking in the mountains.
Saya suka mendaki gunung.
I've been trying to eat healthy lately. I've been trying to eat healthy lately.
Saya sedang berusaha makan sehat belakangan ini.
Running is great for staying healthy. Running is great for staying healthy.
Berlari sangat baik untuk kesehatan.
I enjoy trying different cuisines. I enjoy trying different cuisines.
Saya suka mencoba berbagai masakan.
I had a long day at work today. I had a long day at work today.
Saya punya hari yang panjang di kantor hari ini.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Saya biasanya bangun jam 7 pagi setiap hari.
I enjoy cooking healthy meals. I enjoy cooking healthy meals.
Saya suka memasak makanan sehat.
I've been to that doctor before. I've been to that doctor before.
Saya pernah ke dokter itu sebelumnya.
I need to finish the project on time. I need to finish the project on time.
Saya harus menyelesaikan proyek tepat waktu.
I like to start my day with exercise. I like to start my day with exercise.
Saya suka memulai hari dengan olahraga.
Did you not sleep well last night? Did you not sleep well last night?
Apakah kamu tidak tidur nyenyak tadi malam?
I bought some fresh vegetables. I bought some fresh vegetables.
Saya membeli beberapa sayuran segar.
I always open my window to get some fresh air. I always open my window to get some fresh air.
Saya selalu membuka jendela untuk mendapatkan udara segar.
She looked so relaxed and happy. She looked so relaxed and happy.
Dia terlihat begitu santai dan bahagia.
I mostly eat fruits and vegetables. I mostly eat fruits and vegetables.
Saya biasanya makan buah dan sayuran.
I just got a new computer today. I just got a new computer today.
Saya baru saja mendapatkan komputer baru hari ini.
I can cook scrambled eggs easily for breakfast. I can cook scrambled eggs easily for breakfast.
Saya bisa memasak telur orak-arik dengan mudah untuk sarapan.
Patience brings good results in the end. Patience brings good results in the end.
Kesabaran membawa hasil yang baik pada akhirnya.
I try to run at least 3 times a week. I try to run at least 3 times a week.
Saya coba berlari setidaknya 3 kali seminggu.
I had many meetings and tasks. I had many meetings and tasks.
Saya punya banyak rapat dan tugas.
Being patient really helps in tough situations. Being patient really helps in tough situations.
Bersabar benar-benar membantu dalam situasi sulit.
I'll make sure to speak clearly during the meeting. I'll make sure to speak clearly during the meeting.
Saya akan pastikan untuk berbicara dengan jelas selama pertemuan.
It's really important to stay healthy. It's really important to stay healthy.
Sangat penting untuk tetap sehat.
I love visiting the ocean every summer. I love visiting the ocean every summer.
Saya suka mengunjungi laut setiap musim panas.
I love spending time at home. I love spending time at home.
Saya suka menghabiskan waktu di rumah.
I try to avoid junk food now. I try to avoid junk food now.
Saya berusaha menghindari makanan cepat saji sekarang.
Sometimes I need complete silence to think. Sometimes I need complete silence to think.
Terkadang saya butuh keheningan total untuk berpikir.
I think it's important to be gentle with others. I think it's important to be gentle with others.
Saya pikir penting untuk bersikap lembut pada orang lain.
It's raining heavily right now. It's raining heavily right now.
Saat ini sedang turun hujan deras.
I try to stay positive every day. I try to stay positive every day.
Saya berusaha untuk tetap positif setiap hari.
I just cleaned my room today. I just cleaned my room today.
Saya baru saja membersihkan kamar saya hari ini.
Can you close the window, please? Can you close the window, please?
Bisakah kamu menutup jendelanya?
Playing music really sets a good mood. Playing music really sets a good mood.
Bermain musik benar-benar menciptakan suasana yang baik.
I need to change the light bulb. I need to change the light bulb.
Saya perlu mengganti bola lampu.
I love the warmth of the sun. I love the warmth of the sun.
Saya suka kehangatan matahari.
I'm trying to be more efficient at work. I'm trying to be more efficient at work.
Saya sedang berusaha lebih efisien di tempat kerja.
I love listening to the sound of rain. I love listening to the sound of rain.
Saya suka mendengarkan suara hujan.
I love spending time in the garden. I love spending time in the garden.
Saya suka menghabiskan waktu di kebun.
I went to a river last weekend. I went to a river last weekend.
Saya pergi ke sungai akhir pekan lalu.
I love spending time in bookstores. I love spending time in bookstores.
Saya suka menghabiskan waktu di toko buku.
I really enjoy sweet and spicy combinations. I really enjoy sweet and spicy combinations.
Saya sangat suka kombinasi rasa manis dan pedas.
I need to organize my desk today. I need to organize my desk today.
Saya perlu merapikan meja saya hari ini.
Staying positive really makes life better. Staying positive really makes life better.
Tetap positif benar-benar membuat hidup lebih baik.
Let's sit down and enjoy the meal. Let's sit down and enjoy the meal.
Mari duduk dan nikmati makanannya.
What good habits do you have? What good habits do you have?
Kebiasaan baik apa yang kamu miliki?
What do you usually do at home? What do you usually do at home?
Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan di rumah?
I can't wait to go to the beach. I can't wait to go to the beach.
Saya tidak sabar untuk pergi ke pantai.
Being gentle helps to avoid misunderstandings. Being gentle helps to avoid misunderstandings.
Bersikap lembut membantu menghindari salah paham.
I might take a nap while it rains. I might take a nap while it rains.
Saya mungkin akan tidur siang saat hujan.
I prefer showering at night to relax. I prefer showering at night to relax.
Saya lebih suka mandi malam untuk bersantai.
I'm planning to visit an island next month. I'm planning to visit an island next month.
Saya berencana mengunjungi sebuah pulau bulan depan.
Developing good habits takes time. Developing good habits takes time.
Mengembangkan kebiasaan baik butuh waktu.
The weather today is so warm. The weather today is so warm.
Cuaca hari ini sangat hangat.
I love soft fabrics, they feel so nice. I love soft fabrics, they feel so nice.
Saya suka kain yang lembut, rasanya sangat nyaman.
I try to follow a regular routine every day. I try to follow a regular routine every day.
Saya berusaha mengikuti rutinitas yang teratur setiap hari.
You look really nice today. You look really nice today.
Kamu terlihat sangat baik hari ini.
It takes a lot of courage to try new things. It takes a lot of courage to try new things.
Dibutuhkan banyak keberanian untuk mencoba hal baru.
My desk is full of papers and books. My desk is full of papers and books.
Meja saya penuh dengan kertas dan buku.
Home is truly the best place to relax. Home is truly the best place to relax.
Rumah memang tempat terbaik untuk bersantai.
I feel calm when I'm surrounded by plants. I feel calm when I'm surrounded by plants.
Saya merasa tenang ketika dikelilingi tanaman.
I love listening to music in the evening. I love listening to music in the evening.
Saya suka mendengarkan musik di malam hari.
A warm shower before bed is perfect. A warm shower before bed is perfect.
Mandi air hangat sebelum tidur sangat sempurna.
The river is calm and shallow. The river is calm and shallow.
Sungainya tenang dan dangkal.
It feels so chilly this morning. It feels so chilly this morning.
Rasanya sangat dingin pagi ini.
We need to organize this meeting soon. We need to organize this meeting soon.
Kita perlu mengatur rapat ini segera.
I love the flowers in the garden. I love the flowers in the garden.
Saya suka bunga-bunga di kebun.